Confidante services are private coaching for top-level executives. And the words are important. Top level means president, owner, CEO, business unit head in a large corporation, the top person. And the reason it's set aside by definition is that it's focused on high-level skill building that is unique to the person and to the situation. Coaching I do also, but I do that with lower-level people, and their circumstance is different, and the skills they expect to learn are different too, frankly. The coaching will be similar in that we'll be coaching to a purpose on the job. I don't do coaching, go meet in a motel for 5 days and do abstract things. But the nature of the problems for a production manager, for example, are going to be very different from the responsibilities and the problems for his CEO. So it's focused on his issues, responsibilities, and growth needs. To meet face-to-face often enough so that we get well enough acquainted so that we can be comfortable with each other, because we're going to be talking about the real stuff. But no, I commonly work with Skype, with people, also on the phone, and as we get better acquainted, we'll find that it works just as well, frankly, to talk on the phone, which is important if, for example, you find that you're going to be out of town for 3 weeks, and what we end up doing is you are on a phone call from the London airport. That works fine. This morning, I met with a CEO, and he said to me, since we've worked together for these months, I now find myself delegating and looking to my people much more than I have before, which gives me the space to figure out how we're going to grow this business. And the sidebar is this business is going to grow at a rate beyond 20% per year, and it's a manufacturing business. He started, let me say it this way, he started with 40 employees 18 months ago. He's now at 140 employees, moving up. And he's racing to supply what he needs to the customer and build an organization, change the tire while you're driving down the road. And that fundamentally changes his work from knowing every detail and knowing what the answers are to learning to identify the question, prioritize it, and see that it gets answered. And that action right there, don't answer it, finger it, and pass it on to somebody and check up, that is a skill building. That's the kind of thing that he and I are working on right now.